use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air.
Hey guys, Valentine's Day is around the corner. So it's my husband's birthday. So I wanted to surprise him. That's why I quickly rushed to the mall. Right now I'm going to Miniso store and I'll take you guys along. So as you see, the mall is crowded, but everybody is wearing a mask and we still have beautiful Chinese New Year decor in the mall. So I did the safe entry into the mall. It wasn't crowded. We have all these barricades backside as you see for entering into the mall, and we also have a Trace Together app to trace the coronavirus new found patients, so that if you come in contact with them, they can trace it and let you know and all that stuff. So right now I'm in the mall, and there is a new collection in Miniso, and I was really excited for that. So I really wanted, it is launched today only it came into the mall, and I was super excited because I love Miniso. This bag is from Miniso, so I wanted to give something surprise. So let's go and check what's there in the store. So I came to the mall after a long time, probably a month or so, I don't remember exactly, but I don't come out quite often. Very rarely I come out unless I have any work. I don't like coming out nowadays. So I went into the wrong direction, even though this mall is very familiar to me. Just because I don't come here often, I have completely forgotten where is the route. Then I remembered I'm here at the store. And Anika is back home. Most of you will ask, where is Anika? Anika is back home with her father because it's the evening time, so he can take care of her. So is Ranveer. So I got time for myself.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy.
So I tried some perfumes at Miniso, and they're so strong, like through the mask also I can smell them. Very nice. So I picked one for my husband now. So I really like this tiny wireless speakers, and they have like 4 colors in here: blue, pink, gray and black. I picked the standard black color, suits my television, and I can keep it in my hall, living room actually. So I'm going to pick this. And I think since he works from home and he always has his laptop and his phone in front of him, so there is cell phone holder here. I think this will be a good gift for him because he can keep his phone standing. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Bye.
Ah, 1, 2,
3. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys.
Hello.
Say hello to
hello.
Anika. Say hello to Anika, everybody. And here is my husband today. And since you guys know what I was doing last night, but he doesn't know because you know what? It's a
What
surprise.
were you doing, huh?
I went out and I got you something from Miniso.
Wow.
It's a surprise and it's his birthday in this week, and also there is Valentine's Day on 14th of February, so I wanted to give him early gifts.
Wow. Papa is getting gifts.
And here is your birthday and
These are so
Valentine's.
many gifts. Wow.
These are your Valentine's
Very
Day
heavy.
gifts. Yeah. So
Not just one, so many.
Yeah, this whole cover is for you because Miniso has this Love Without Distance campaign going
Wow.
on, and they have all these brand new products in the store which are quite new and very affordable and quite trendy. We always love Miniso for our kids because Ranveer likes a lot of stuff from there. I love the
Wow.
stuff.
Take a look. Wireless speaker.
Yes.
Ooh.
So he wanted a speaker when we go
It's
out.
huge.
Yeah, it's huge. Do you want to open it?
Yeah, I can open.
हाँ तो मैं खोल के देखती हूँ, दिखाती हूँ. So there were 4 colors in this speaker, as you know, but I chose to get him a black one because I think he likes it.
Yeah, I like black.
He likes black. He likes standard colors. So
Look out.
so here is your Valentine's Day gift.
Wow.
And I wanted to give him all these gifts early so that he can start using them ASAP. Why we have to wait till 14th Feb, right?
Yeah, of course.
And it's pandemic.
Wow, it's good.
He's working from home.
Wow. Take a look. It's very neat. It's very neat.
And we got these 2 cables with it.
Yeah, must be the charging and yeah, one we have.
One you can connect with
USB.
your phone USB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And it's quite portable. We'll probably try to show you how this
Oh,
looks.
it's turning on.
Yeah. I think they charged it already a bit.
Yeah.
And we have to charge it more. So this is going to be our party on Valentine's Day and also on his birthday, which is on 4th of February. Kuch awaaz aayi. Yeah, we got some sound. Here is the speaker.
Yeah, we'll have to figure out how to play this.
Yes. So we will
It
try
can take
to-
the calls, I think.
Oh, it has a call option as well.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's awesome because it has a,
I'll read the manual.
and we'll check after connecting to his phone. We will check
Yeah.
how this is. But this is how do you feel? What do you feel
It's
about
good,
this?
it's good. It's very classic, nice, compact, and not very heavy.
Yeah. So this is one.
Okay.
So I will help him.
Next, I'll pick these. Okay.
Yay! Shoes.
Wow. Slippers, not shoes. Home slippers.
Home slippers.
Or maybe
Yeah, it's these
I
are
can
home
wear them outside as well.
Yeah, you can beach wear also. You can wear wherever you
But I think
want
I will like them to wear
at home.
at home. Yes.
Yeah, because he loves to
Any.
wear home slipper. I don't wear slippers at home. I feel comfortable barefoot. I feel it's home and I don't have to wear slipper. I like the feel of the floor touching my feet, but he doesn't like the feel of the floor touching his feet, and he likes also for cushion and comfort.
Yes, especially for cushion and comfort.
Yeah.
And
so,
to avoid having the other bits and pieces going into your
Feet.
not
Yeah.
really feet, but
On your bed.
On your bed.
Yeah, but I dust my feet before I go on the bed. But I got him these. What do you feel about the quality?
It's good. It's very soft. It's not that hard. And the other slippers, you know, they are normally hard here,
Yes.
but this one is very good. See, it's soft. I can even
Yeah.
fold
And
it.
yeah.
It's foldable.
I like
It's
the
quite
color
flexible.
actually
Yeah.
because solids, he likes solids.
Yeah.
So it's a nude color.
Okay.
So I thought to get him a new home slipper because I found it fun. And here is the next item
What
from
is that?
the gifts.
What is this?
It's a phone holder.
Phone holder.
Yes. Mobile phone holder.
Okay.
So basically he works on desk at home, and his phone always, office calls, always busy, and he has to check his messages, so he can mount his phone. Here you have phone now.
Oh, it can stick to the table.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
there
If you want to
is-
stick,
oh.
you can stick it also. If you don't want to stick, you can leave it like that.
And then
You can put.
is it okay? It's adjustable. Okay, this one. Nice. It's good.
This
Okay,
I thought it, you
stick
needed
your
it.
phone.
Yeah, it's in front of your eyes. Don't have to peep down always.
Yeah, you don't have to always look around
Yeah.
where the phone is. So just mount it.
And one more thing, once you're when you're charging your phone, here is a gap below, so
Yeah,
it's easy to charge, and still you can do video call, workout in your laptop. So what do you think about this?
Yeah, I like the design and the color.
Because
So
of
the wire can go from here all the way from below, and then it can charge your phone. So
कैसा लगा
it'll be
आपको?
neat. Yeah, अच्छा है. It's nice.
Yes. Then I got him lot of snacks. He loves snacks. He likes to munch a lot.
Munching.
Snacks and
Munching तो अब गुल्ली करेगी.
Gullu भी करेगा. Gullu को भी खा सकते हैं.
Wow.
Anika can also eat because she started eating. So I got this dried
White
fruit.
Thailand mango.
Yes, this is Ranveer's and mine favorite. And then I got
This one is-
pineapple.
Dried pineapple slices.
Yeah,
It's good.
lot of vitamin C in there,
Mm.
and super delicious, sugary and sour. So strawberries are also there. Pineapple is there. So I got two of pineapples, two of strawberries, and
Yeah, nice.
one is.
Good.
So yeah, you want to try? Let's open one and try. Wow,
Let's try one.
texture बहुत अच्छा है.
Mmm. Nice.
Nice. So I got all this for you.
Mmm.
Then, okay. So next thing I got him is a home diffuser scent. He loves good smell. He likes perfumes, deodorants, good aroma in the house, room fresheners.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
So-
Scent diffuser.
Yes. So it comes with all the things that you need. Like it has a glass bottle with
Okay.
all the scent, and then it gives. I'll just open and show you so that you know what it is. I'm very bad in unboxing things, so I just. So see, it always comes with a diffuser stick. Yeah, here is the diffuser bottle and scent, and here is the diffuser stick. So you open them, prick holes here on the top and put it. Ours was getting over, so I thought the room where he works whole
It smells
day,
very good.
it would be nice if it smells good.
It says mojito.
Yeah,
Blue mojito.
yes. So it will be little citrusy.
Okay, good, good, good.
Yeah. So
Nice.
This for his room, especially for his office room at home. And another thing is a small C2C data cable, because the other day he was telling me he needs a C2C.
I think yeah, we needed somehow C2C, but I forgot for which connection we needed.
Yeah, because so many devices at home now.
I think it's from your laptop to your phone.
My phone itself. I
and,
think
and
yeah.
just to charge.
Yeah.
Because MacBook Pro it accepts C.
Yeah.
And we were missing this cable for very long.
He couldn't find it the other day.
Yeah.
So yeah, because Ranveer is also doing online classes and tuitions and stuff, and he is working, I'm doing my job, so we need a lot of electronic things at home. So I thought, why not to get that? And here is a perfume.
Wow. Midnight Gentleman Men perfume.
Just smell. You want to smell now,
Of
or you want to
course,
open
yeah.
later?
I want to smell.
Okay.
Let's
I
see the
smelled it in the store. She helped me very well with testing all the perfumes. I think the plastic cover, if it comes out once, ये नहीं निकलेगा. ये नहीं निकलेगा.
ये निकाल दो because मुझे
मतलब I
इसकी
have to
खुशबू
do this.
देखनी है. यहाँ से ये.
अच्छा ये होता है.
clear, हाँ. और मैं scissors लाता हूँ.
अरे मैं nails से यूज करती हूँ. wait.
Nails ही टूट जाएंगे.
अरे wait. मतलब the packaging is awesome. आप अगर परफ्यूम किसी को गिफ्ट खरीद के देते हो या शिप भी करते हो, usually you can't ship perfumes by the way. Okay, but
Okay, done.
almost no better. Thank you.
Okay.
So he loves perfume and deodorants, and I have no idea how much perfumes he buys for himself. He actually
Not
buys
many.
a lot. Okay. He uses more perfume than I do. I do only occasionally, but for him it's like daily basis. So when I got married to him initially, I used to think, why spending so much on perfumes? But now seeing his love for perfume, actually his dad loves perfume too. And surprisingly, Ranveer, he got a perfume on his birthday last year, and he started using perfume seeing his dad. So he uses kids perfume. So I better be careful with the bottle because ये देखो कितनी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है.
Wow.
So this is the perfume which I really like the packaging. So manly and smells amazing. It's not very strong, but it is medium strong, not very mild.
No, it's
also.
very good. Actually, you don't need that strong perfume. I think it's good.
So you liked it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, because सबका perfume का taste different होता है. Everybody has their own taste, and I love when people love your gifts. So this is cool. Sadly, in pandemic, you can't go out as often. We used to go like month में 2 बार तो हम बाहर जाते ही थे. लेकिन at home also you can dress up, party, gift it each other and celebrate. तो आपको अच्छा लगा?
बहुत.
अच्छा. I love the packaging as well. I am a crazy sucker for packagings. And
What is this?
this
For
is
Ranveer?
no, it is for you. It's a 5
For me?
volt. Actually, it's a multi-use. Ranveer can use, or you
I
can
thought
use.
it's that
Board.
hardboard
Yes.
where you can
Right.
yeah you stick A4 sheets and then you can continue writing.
Yes, Anika wants to try this.
You
No,
want?
it has clips on the top, but it is
Yes.
a file, so you can write and close it.
Oh,
So
okay.
a lot of documentation
Good.
and office at home. So I got him some stationery stuff. So I think that is all. And
Okay. You want?
give her. It's okay. Let her.
You
Let her.
want? Okay, go.
Yeah, now once you get married, you have kids. Most of your things belong to your kids, and they explore everything
Yeah.
more than
She's
you.
checking what it is.
Yeah, she wants to check first.
Yeah.
And Anika कैसा है? कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छे.
अच्छा है.
Smiling.
So happy Valentine's Day, early
Happy
Valentine's
Valentine's
Day.
Day.
Happy early Valentine's Day.
Early Valentine's.
Yeah, and happy birthday also in advance.
Thank you very much.
And I hope you enjoyed all this gifts.
I did.
What do you think about all the products?
They are great actually. They
Yeah.
are really great.
Miniso is always our favorite brand. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Welcome. Okay, so I want to let you guys know that my experience was amazing shopping, and you love these products. If you want to go ahead and check out your Valentine's Day is coming soon, so if you guys want to gift your loved one something, you can check the Miniso store. I had the amazing experience every time I visit Miniso, because every time they have new products in store and within a budget. So that is cool. All this item now, it's better because a lot of time people ask how much did you spend to get all these items. So let me be very clear. I have spent 148 Singapore dollars. Yes.
That's
only.
neat.
Yes,
I mean, in 148, so many things.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
Especially that wireless speaker.
Wireless speaker, and
It's
it
okay.
has a manual. It has a manual which I checked later on, so you can operate with that. And which are your favorite items? I know you love all, but then
I think yeah, the wireless speaker and the perfume.
and the perfume, yes, and
Those are the
probably
two
the
favorite.
slippers also.
Slippers, yes.
Yeah, because so I got him everything that he wanted, and Anika is now restless. She has to explore
She wants to
everything. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. I loved sharing my shopping and surprising experience. And how was your experience?
My experience was great, and thank you very much for so many gifts.
All my
I'm
pleasure.
planning ahead in advance.
Thank you so much. And my birthday is also coming, so you can also plan it in advance. Yes,
okay.
my birthday is 20th February. His birthday is 4th of February. So
Yeah.
I gifted him early so that his planning is also good.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
I'll keep that in note. Okay.
Yeah, so if you like this video, if you want to watch more such videos, guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Anika's YouTube channel, Super Princess Jo. Like this video, leave your comments and subscribe to Super Princess Jo. See you all next time. Bye.
Bye.